So, about to fly to Bulgaria today. Doing a show out there tomorrow with While She Sleeps. I'm supporting the band Architects for a show in the port of Burgos. Should be pretty good. It's currently about 6:30 in the morning. I've just got to the warehouse, nice and early, to check over the fly pack, ready to go today. We're leaving in a couple of hours. Band were practicing yesterday, so I'm just checking that everything's here and we're ready to go. We've got 18 pieces of trip luggage. It's 6:30. I'm gonna make a coffee and crack on with this. Let's go. So we are 18 checked cases for this show. So this is the lead guitar player's pedal board. Then we've got front house desk, monitor desk. This has got 2 bass guitars and 1 electric guitar in it. Then 3 electric guitars, 3 more electric guitars. So rhythm player plays 3 guitars during the set. Lead player plays 4, and then the bass player has 2 that swaps between a D and a C. Then one of these is the bass pedal board with a quad cortex on it. The other one is drum electronics, which is like a little mixing desk, trigger unit for his in-ears, and some other little bits just to make his ears run correctly. Kick pedals, a snare drum. In here is the stage box, the DL32 for my front house desk, and wrapped around it is the backdrop that will hang from the back of the stage. Then in this one, let's see, I'll get them out later, but in one side of this is the other DL32 for the monitor desk, and then the wireless vocal microphone receiver. Then in the back is my wave server and all the in-ears packs. And this one is all the in-ears. So 4 units, 4 PSM900s, and a combiner, and all the cabling and antennas for that. And then these 2 antennas will go with the wireless vocal. And this little 1510 here, this little unit has got the Cymatic U-Track 24, which runs the click track and backing tracks. And then the 2 guitar wireless systems are in there as well. And then a Wi-Fi router. That means we can link together the Cymatic and the monitor desk, so the drummer can have an iPad for each of those, so he can see what song's playing and he can adjust his in-ears from the drum stool. And then the next one, big Pella case. This is a Kemper, so there's a Kemper profiler in there. And then these are the in-ears packs here, so I don't know what's in that case. This is why I'm here, checking it over. So yeah, we'll put them over there in a second. But yeah, there's Kemper there, and then the loom there that makes it all work. It's a bit big for flying, but it's the only one we have, so we're flying it. And then in this one, another Kemper, and then this time the pedal board's on here because Matt just has this one pedal board, whereas Sean has the massive thing over there. So Matt just has this one little one, so that goes in here with this, and some cabling to make it all work. Some guitar wireless packs, all these random spare bits, iPad holders, yeah. So what's that? That's 16 cases. Then cymbals, and then 1510 for the microphones. So they need to go in there. So let's do that now. And then I think that's 18, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And they're all going to be overweight and they're going to charge us loads of money at the airport. Yay, gigs. Okay, that's everything from the drums except the kick in and out, which are inside of the kick drum. So let's get those out. So I've just grabbed my kick in and kick out mic. They are normally mounted inside this kick drum in this Kelly shoe system. So the kick out mic goes on there, and the kick in mic goes up at the top, mounted upside down. Might show you a bit more of that on the next tour, but obviously for this fly show we're not taking the drum kit with us, getting one out there, hired kit. So to pack these into the rest of them and then put that back together for the next festival show. Boom, boom, boom.
James Hill's YouTube channel.
Yeah, boy.
Island Dance.
So here's our drum kit. Got it all set up backstage. So these are the small rig clamps I bought before tour. Just first time using them today, so let's see how they go for my underheads. Then over here's Monitor World. Got a DL32, all the outputs. M32r running monitors. Then on this side we've got our inner units, so we've got 4 units that we've flown with us, saving a bit of weight. And then here's our Wi-Fi router, and then guitar wireless, mic, Kempers, all the in-ear packs and the guitar wireless stuff. And yeah, here's the stage. Yo, what's up? Future James here, and at this point I just forgot to film anything else in that day. Didn't film any of the soundcheck, didn't film any of the show. Yeah, it's a bit rubbish, so sorry about that. But here I am to explain a little bit about what happened in the day. So as we were all getting ready to soundcheck and the headline band were getting ready, a storm came into the port and just made us hold up for a little bit. We had to throw some like waterproof sheets over all our equipment because it started raining so much. So just make sure we checked on all the equipment and everything was fine. Storm lasted about an hour and a half. So it pushed everything back a little bit. But when we got the all clear that we could get back on, start setting up, architects were really quick with their sound check and then gave us enough time to get on stage, get everything set up. Our sound check was pretty quick. Everything got plugged in without any issues. Everything seemed to work fine. Did a couple of songs of sound check, all sounded great. Then the show rolled around, the show was great. No complaints from me. I thought my mix was pretty good. It was one of my last mixes on my M32r for the year after this show. I think I did one more with the M32, then I moved over to a D-Live for the rest of the summer festival season. So it's pretty good. The small rig claws on the drums, I can confirm they are very good. I now own 6 of them. It is like 4 or 5 months later since I filmed the start of this video. But yeah, I own 6 of them. I use them on everything. They're very good. I'll leave a link down there if you do want to check them out. Great little clamps for holding microphones on drums or on anything really. It's a good show. It was good to see the Architects guys again do what they do best and play a killer rock show. So it was cool to support them. Not seen them in a while. Yeah, another shout out to Jet 2 because they were actually really good with the luggage and flying everything. So obviously we had 18 oversized cases and I ended up booking enough luggage to cover the amount of what I thought everything was going to weigh. And when we got there, they let me combine all the weights into one and we were a little bit over of what I estimated, but they were really helpful with it. I think we were just over by like 7 kilograms, which was about the weight of our kick pedal case. So they let us take that on as hand luggage with one of the guys who just had a backpack, just backpack and a kick pedal case. And they didn't charge an extra for that, so that was great. And then on the way back, I don't know if we'd packed some extra stuff in the cases or packed it a bit different, but we were a little bit more over, but they let us do the same thing. So 2 of the guys that had backpacks on, they let us bring the snare drum and the kick pedal case on as hand luggage with no extra charges. So thank you jet2.com, that was great. Yeah, obviously it's a few months later now, so sorry it's taken this long to edit this. Yeah, I'll hopefully get some more videos out for you soon. Do all the usual stuff, click the like, subscribe, leave comments, all the stuff that helps on this weird little YouTube channel. Hopefully see you in the next one soon. Peace.